Hello dear friends. Today we will show you how to transfer USDT to your PayPal account. Go to the BoltChange.com website, the link is in the video description. Here you can select the exchange option that suits you. Then press the exchange button. In the first sector, enter the email address from your PayPal account. In the second sector, enter the mail to contact you. Then click Continue. Check the data entered is correct. Agree to the terms of use and press Confirm button. In the new window, you see the address of the wallet, where you need to send the cryptocurrency. Go to your cryptocurrency or exchange and send the exact amount to the specified address. After sending the funds, click I have paid button. There is support on our website. Please contact us if something doesn't work. BoltChange, the best exchange company.